Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new OnePlus Buds. As you can see, we have the Nord Blue earphones from OnePlus. We have easy to use, sound quality, environment noise cancellation, and 30 hours with battery. In the back we have again some information like input and output energy, and we have again the blue color here. The OnePlus Buds last 30 hours of battery life with his case and 7 hours with one single charge. We have environment noise cancellation, powerful bass boost, and low latency mode. With just 10 minutes of charge, these earbuds will last 10 hours, which is very impressive from OnePlus. So now we have here the package itself. We can see here in our hand the earbuds, and we have this very gorgeous colors going on. In the inside we have the green and yellow color. We have the magnetic cap and a button to tell us how much battery we have. We have here set your music free box. Here we will find the books, user manuals, and all kinds of stuff. Also, it's included one Type-C charger. As I mentioned before, these earphones support rapid charge, so you can charge it with your OnePlus charger. We have here user manual and warranty card as well, so we know now what we have in the box, what is included. We have the LED light in the front here to tell us how much battery it has left. Let's go ahead and pick up the new Nord and connect it to our new earbuds. As you can see, immediately we have to go to the Bluetooth. When you pop up the cap of the new buds, it immediately recognizes the OnePlus device. It shows the one tap method to connect it. So with just one tap, you press at the OnePlus Buds sign, it will connect automatically to your buds, which is a very good feature in the OnePlus earbuds. Now these are connected. Let's go ahead and pop them off and wear it, see how they fit. You can see in the outside look, they look pretty good. The color is awesome. Also the white ones are pretty good, but we got the blue ones, so it matches the new Nord. They fit pretty good, pretty snug, and I think these will be pretty good earbuds. So let's go ahead to the YouTube. This is the first song that we will try and see how they sound. Okay, we have a good sound. Let's go ahead and turn the volume all the way up. I still can hear myself a little bit. The sound that is coming from these earbuds is awesome. We have a bunch of bass and the sound is very clear. Let's go ahead and see in the middle of this song. The sound is very good. As I said before, I honestly don't have an idea what to compare with. As you can see, when you pull the earbuds out of your ear, it pauses the video and the sound immediately, and when you put it back, it plays again. You can see with double tap you will change the next track or the previous track with left and right. Also, you can answer calls with it, and you can do a lot of things other, like press and hold for 3 seconds to switch device and press for 5 seconds when receiving a call. You can wake up voice assistant, play and pause the video, as I said before. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another device.